Wow, election is coming. It's perfect time for politicians to promise you how much they're going to give you. However, where they're taking the money from to give you all of it? Well, first they have to take it away from you in the form of taxes. Have you ever wondered what is your actual tax bill? In this short video, I will calculate for you how much you actually pay per year. In this video, I'm going to use an example of an average person in the UK who makes £29,400, drives around 10,000 miles, and lives in an accommodation with 2.4 people. Most of us pay 20% tax on everything we make above £12,500. Our average person who makes 29.4 thousand pays £3,380. We also have to pay 12% national insurance on everything above £8,400, which in our case will be £2,492. So we are left with a net figure of £23,528. However, these are not the only taxes we pay here in the UK. On most of the things we purchase, we pay value-added tax, or VAT. Firstly, let's assume we save an average of £1,260 per year. That leaves us with £22,268 for purchases. Some of the things we buy have little or none VAT on it. In our optimistic scenario, 28% of things we buy are subjected to no VAT or very little VAT. This is for the things such as foods, children's clothes or energy bills, and the rest of 72% is subjected to 20% of VAT, and this is for regular clothes, cinema tickets, mobile phone subscriptions, or pretty much everything else that in eyes of government is not absolutely necessary for you to live. That leaves you with a total VAT bill of £3,207 per year. Okay, so let's take that out and we have £20,321 left. Is that our net figure? I'm afraid not. You still have to pay some other taxes. For example, council tax, which on average is £583 per taxpayer. If you are the sole payer of council tax, it might be as high as £1,800 in some places for bandit property. You'll also have to pay a fuel tax, which on average is £265 per year on the top of the VAT you have already paid. That leaves you with a nice clean figure of £19,473, with total tax bill of £9,927. That is 34%, and this is your actual tax rate. But calculations are actually a bit modest. According to Adam Smith Foundation, this figure is 41%. Of course, if you make more money, if you smoke, if you drink a lot, if you drive a lot, maybe you pay back your student loan, your tax rate will be much higher and it can fetch up to 55%. So next time a politician promises how much you're going to get, ask a question, how much you're going to have to pay for that first. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, ask me a question in a comment, and don't forget to come back later to see a little bit different perspective.